Fiesta ka natong tanan. So tatlo ka arkanghel ang atong gisaulog karon. Unsa man ang mga arkanghel? Unsa ang mga arkanghel? Who are the angels, archangels? Una, mao kini ang ginasulti kanato. Angels are spiritual creatures who unceasingly glorify and praise God. Nagpadayon o makanunayon nga nagpadayon sa paghimaya sa Dios. Mao kina ang ginabuhat sa mga anghel. So mala kay Santo Tomas, misulti siya, angels work together for the benefit of us all. Angels are sent to deliver God's message and accomplish God's plan. So, ang papel sa anghel, pagbantala, pagdala sa mensahe sa Ginoo o to accomplish nga mabuhat, mahimo no, ang kabubuton, ang plano sa Ginoo. In the Bible, there are a lot of mention of angels. Pero tulo lang ang gipangalanan. Anghel ang misulti kay Abraham nga dili niya pagpadayunon ang pagsakripisyo sa iyang anak nga si Isaac. Anghel ang nagluwas kang Lot kag sa iyang pamilya para dili sila masunog sa Sodom o Gomora. Anghel ang naa didto sa lubnganan ni Jesus katong nabanhaw na siya. Daghang mga anghel nga ginasulti sa Biblia, pero tulora ang gipangalanan, no? Mauna nga ayaw tuo kung aduna pa ubang mga pangalan ang anghel. Iya na sa New Age. New Age kaayo na siya, may mga Judiel, Uriel, ambot kuasa nila nagikuha ang pangalan. So ang gipangalanan ragyod si Miguel, Rafael and Gabriel. Angels shows God caring to us. Announce to us God's messages, defend us with God's power, they bring God's healing to us, and they present our concerns to God. Angels are our friends. So kay dili raman kapistahan ni San Miguel karon, tanaw nato ang tulo ka anghel. Siyempre with highlight to San Miguel. Gabriel is God's strength. It was Gabriel who announced the good news that John the Baptist will be born. As well as it was Gabriel who announced, no? Si Gabriel ang nag-announce kay Zechariah, o si Gabriel ang nag-announce kay Maria na kay Zechariah, John the Baptist will be born, to Mary, Jesus Christ will be born. And it is the angel Gabriel that we have the first few words of the Hail Mary, when Angel Gabriel said to the Blessed Virgin Mary, "Hail, full of grace." It was not a human being who said it to the Blessed Virgin Mary. It was the angel Gabriel. So, Gabriel was the bringer of the good news. Raphael. Raphael means God has healed. The healing power of God. It was the angel Raphael who healed Tobit and his daughter-in-law Zara. If we are going to look into the book of Tobit, it says, "It was I who presented the record of your prayer before the glory of the Lord." Mao ka nang ginabuhat sa anghel. It says, "I who presented the record of your prayer to the glory of the Lord. I was sent to put you to the test. And at the same time, however, God sent me to heal you and your daughter-in-law, Sarah." God heals in Saint Raphael. What happened to Tobit and to his family? It was, Tobit was healed of his blindness. Tobias' marriage happened with Sarah, and at the same time, the restoration of good fortune to the family of Tobit. Karon, we have Saint Michael as our patron saint. Saint Michael means one who is like God. Murag sama sa Dios. And there are 4 times that Michael was mentioned in the Bible. Twice in the prophet Daniel, one in the epistle of Saint Jude, and in the book of Revelation, which was read as a second reading today. Unsa may ginasulti sa libro sa Revelation. Unya may gubat didto sa langit. Si Miguel o ang kauban niyang mga anghel nakigsangka sa dragon o sa mga anghel niini. Apan nabuntog ang dragon o ang anghel niini. Dragon is the symbolism of Satan. The dragon is Satan. O gipang hinginlan sila gikan sa langit. Gitambog ang dakong dragon, ang karaang bitin nga ginganlag yawa, o Satanas nga maoy naglimbong sa tibuok kalibutan. Gitambog siya uban sa tanang mga anghel niya ngadto sa yuta. So here we have the power of God manifested in His angels. God, Michael, who is like God, defeats evil, defeats Satan. And Pope Leo XIII, actually Pope Leo XIII, si kinsa man siya, siya ang Santo Papa nga naghimo nga pakabahin sa pagkatapos sa misa, pangamuyoon ang prayer to Saint Michael, no? That prayer to Saint Michael, defend us in the day of battle. Unsay ginasulti ni Pope Leo XIII? Siling niya, angels are the heavenly army, and they are our protection against the evil one. Against the evil one. So it is God's power manifested through the angels in Saint Michael defeating the evil. In Raphael, it is to bring healing to people. In Gabriel, to bring the good news. Karon, kay kapistahan man nato, no? With our theme, SMA parishioners, celebrate and pray for the grace of healing. in this time of the pandemic of COVID-19, how can the angels inspire us? How can they be a guide to us? Three things. Like Gabriel, we should bring good news to our brothers and sisters. Diba dunay, when somebody does something good to you, you will always say, "You are an angel to me." Anghel ka kanako. Nga naman, kaya aduna kay kalipay nga nadawat gikan sa usa ka tawo. O kanang tawo, kay balo ka mga tawo siya, pero nahimo siyang anghel. Kung gihigugman nimo ang usa ka tawo, sultihan nimo siya, "You are an angel to me because you bring good news to me." We should be bearers of good news, not bad news or evil news. And what is the good news? It is to proclaim the message of the kingdom, that God reigns into the world, that it is not hopelessness but hope. It is not darkness and sin, but there is life eternal and the glory of God, that God conquers evil. Good news. Unsa may mga good news nato nga ginadala sa atong mga isig kaingon, mga maayong balita. Karon sa Facebook, unsahay makita nimo, unsa may mga good news. Most people, they share good news, but there are also people who do not do. Sometimes they share something and it is not good news. It is not good news if it is very self-centered and egoistic. Karong panahon sa pandemic, ayaw pog share og mga pagkaon kung lami kayo inyong pagkaon. Mga ubang mga tao, lechon. Sa post naman, sa private ko man na siya. Pero ayaw post to, when people are hungry, be sensitive to those who have nothing to eat. That is not good news to them. When you have so much and they do not have anything. When you are so blessed, it can only become a blessing if you learn how to share the blessing that you receive. Makita nato nga, siguro to know that how do we share good news? A good news is something that is always other-oriented. Kay usahay, when we put something, it is always to boast our ego. Ako. The problem with that is it becomes something that boasts us instead of people glorifying God because of what we have done to our brothers and sisters. Like Raphael, we should also be bearers and bringers of God's healing to our brothers and sisters. The world is so wounded, and we are wounded, but let us not wound each other. Let us not add more to the woundedness of the world, but bring healing to our brothers and sisters. In this time of pandemic, much more. Si Father Angel, balaan naman ninyo, naa siya, pasalamat sa Ginoo. He is now COVID-free. Katong nabalita sa Bumbo, nga pag-umpisa gyud, ilado nga pari. Mayo na lang kay dili may ilado. Ibalo sila dayon nga si Father Angel ra gyud to kay. Pero anyway, he's telling me bago sa misa, now that he went through it, ang pinakabudlay sa makasakit sa COVID is the stress, the psychological effect of it. The stress and the psychological effect on it. Hamak mo na nga kung ma-quarantine ka, you cannot talk to, ikaw ra usa sa kwarto, you are all alone, murag mabuang daw ang uban. That is why we need to support them and help those who are sick. think of our frontliners. Ang iniisip niya, siya lang yung maliligtas? O siguro pagbibili niya at a high price. That is an opportunistic mentality. You just want to save yourself? Ikaw kaya ubusin mong lahat, wala na yung iba? O kaya ipagbibili mo para ng mas mataas, para mas madami kang pera? That is an opportunistic mentality. That is evil. Like Michael, we have to defend the weak. Help those who are in need. Fight evil. But of course, because these are angels, no? They do it because angels love God. We become an angel when we love God and we see God in our brothers and sisters. But today, in this time of pandemic, as we celebrate the feast of Saints Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael, brothers and sisters, let us be an angel to one another.